Creating a comprehensive script for a video on blockchain technology involves breaking down the complex concepts into easily understandable segments. Here's a sample script outline for a video explaining blockchain technically. Introduction. Welcome the viewers and provide a brief overview of the video's topic. Highlight the significance of blockchain technology in the digital era. Section 1. What is blockchain? Define blockchain as a decentralized and distributed ledger. Explain how information is stored in blocks and linked in a chain. Emphasize the security and transparency aspects of blockchain. Section 2. How blockchain works. Describe the consensus mechanism, such as proof of work POW or proof of stake POS. Explain the process of adding a new block to the blockchain. Highlight the role of miners or validators in securing the network. Section 3. Decentralization and distributed ledger. Discuss the concept of decentralization and how it differs from traditional centralized systems. Explain how the distributed ledger ensures that all participants have a copy of the entire blockchain. Section 4. Mutability and security. Describe the immutability of blockchain records. Explain how cryptographic hashing contributes to the security of the blockchain. Discuss how tampering with one block affects the entire chain. Section 5. Smart contracts. Define smart contracts and their role in blockchain technology. Give examples of how smart contracts automate and enforce agreements. Discuss the impact of smart contracts on various industries. Section 6. Use cases off blockchain. Finance and cryptography. Discuss how blockchain is used in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Explain its role in financial transactions, reducing fraud, and enhancing transparency. Supply chain management. Highlight how blockchain is used to track and authenticate products in the supply chain. Discuss the benefits of increased transparency and traceability. Healthcare. Explain how blockchain can improve data integrity and security in healthcare. Discuss the potential for a secure and interoperable health information system. Section 7. Challenges and limitations. Acknowledge the challenges, such as scalability and energy consumption. Discuss ongoing efforts to address these challenges. Section 8. Future trends. Explore emerging trends in blockchain technology, such as interoperability and scalability solutions. Discuss potential applications in areas like identity management and voting systems. Conclusion. Summarize the key points covered in the video. Emphasize the transformative potential of blockchain technology. Encourage viewers to explore further and stay informed about blockchain developments. Remember to use visuals, graphics, and examples to enhance the viewer's understanding. Additionally, keep the language accessible and engaging to make the video enjoyable for a broad audience.